Here we are then, Idle the Valley. At a game reserve. So here you are, welcome back to the channel, and today we're on the Idle Valley Trail with the Pepper Fruglet and the invalid scooter, not the Ducati, not yet. So we're here walking and fanning around. It's very nice. Alright then, what is that Fruglet doing? Come on, Fruglet. I know. It's the only way she gets up at this bridge in a minute. A bit of rough terrain for the buggy. Bloody hell. Blimey. Blimey. Here we go. It's like being in Vietnam up at bridge, look. Dun, 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 dun. Anything could come out of these swamps here, look. Anything. Get ready. Be alert. What does Starmer say? Be prepared for war. Oh, I can't even stop a few dinghies coming across water. My good night. Put your faith in me. There we go, look at this anyway. It's very nice here, isn't it? It's a very nice place. We're only on snail's pace. Can't see our lash yet. For the Nottinghamshire people, I have to say there's a strong smell of whew. Shall we call it sewerage in the air? But the old scoot's going up here, look, the old scoot. The wagon, as Christine calls it. See, this place is here where you can come and sit with your family, look, there, look. And all these lovely green trees for you to look at. Oh, let's go. We were just commenting then about the scooters fuel gauge sort of thing, battery gauge up there, look. You can see there, look. We've got like all green. Well, it's been like that. I mean, I know it's new, but it's just never seems to have moved on any. Run out of juice and left us in the middle of here. As I can't be doing with it, that'd be fun, wouldn't it? Pepper's loving it. Pepper the Fruglet. I brought the drone, but it's too windy for drone. So we'll keep off of the drone today. You could probably fly it here. This isn't too bad now, actually. The wind were getting up earlier on. Here's a little picnic table here for you to go and sit at if you want to. You can just bomb over here, look, and sit here and have your picnic. Yeah, that's the lake over there, look. You can see the lake going right across there. The board, what it's all about here, look. Welcome to the gateway. This is where all the eels come. The old eels swim up here, apparently. There's a board what tells you about that further up. Come on, Pepperoni. Or another bridge. Hey. And over there, the Badger Bandit. The Badger Bandit. Sometimes I've seen a kingfisher here, but I don't think we're going to see one today. Maybe not. Maybe who knows? I'm very impressed with this little truck. What to say? I mean, I'm 22 stone, it goes to 28 stone. And there's two little suspensions up front, two on the rear and one on your seat. And the seat one does tend to bounce them down a bit, obviously, and it makes you be a little bit wobbly, but if you jam your thighs like I've done between the armrests, that secures you a bit more. But I know it sounds balmy, but you have to counter lean when you're going round a corner a bit if you're going down too fast. It's right weird. But it's good fun. It gets me out anyway. It's got me out today. And I did ring up to the man with the knife and questioned him this morning. I says, oops, dear, I nearly dropped my GoPro then. I did ask him, I says, is there any chance of a cancellation, and begging you and pleading with you, but you're just on the list, that's all they say to you. You're on the list and you're just waiting. So, and getting some points in. What do they call them? What do you call them? Steps in. Little benches for you to sit on. So you can come and sit here, look, and whisper sweet nothings in your true love's ear. How about that? And you might, if you're very careful, you might be to see a kingfisher just flutter by. On the skyline here. But, that's where I saw it last time, just about here. It might have been a bit further down. We're going to have a look anyway at both of them. Yes, because we're testing the buggy, we're going to go up the hill here. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Who would have thought you'd end up on one of these? When you're younger, you think, yes, you silly old bleeder riding around on one of them. Whoa, well, next to this time of their life when they can't walk. Ah, fancy meeting you here, Pep. Fancy meeting you here, Froglet.
She didn't like it because she couldn't see you.
Fancy meeting you here, Pepperoni. Come on. Yeah. But you can see all Kabomba in water, look.
Yeah.
All weeds flying flat, aren't they?
Did you notice over at bridge they were on it?
Yeah. And there's the rapids here, look. You'll see the rapids. Oh, that sun's nice. Oh, they've got a fence up now to stop you drowning. That's kind of them. Do you want to sit down there a bit? You sure? I'm thinking about you, not me. I'm sat down, aren't I?
They've got the same lead, but a bigger version.
Yeah, they don't need a big
I says,
one.
it's only little. She says, yeah, but it pulls a lot. I says, well, she does. But she says, the difference is when you get the bigger version, you get a longer...
Oh, right, longer tape.
Yeah, but I don't want it longer than that.
No, don't
That's
you?
fine.
I brought a bottle of water now. Talk about organised. Thank you.
One now.
That one's easy. You can go either. But this one just opens up then. This one's easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it same? I thought the gate opened towards us. Have we got to reverse again?
Yeah, probably going back.
I can't see a thing.
You better go in there. What, she going to hit the logs?
What?
Oh yeah, no, you want to lock it.
Where are we? I can't see.
You want to be over here a bit further.
Where am I trying to be?
Wait.
What do you mean other way?
You turn your vehicle away.
What are we doing out there? Testing battery, isn't it, this? That way.
Hard lock there.
That's it, hard lock, hard lock. Go on, go on, as far back as you can
You know,
go.
we do it on control.
That's fine. Yeah. I might not even need to help that one. Have you got? Have you reached the back there? So we're almost there, aren't we? There you go. Oh, you don't even need me.
Oh, what?
Don't even
Look
need
at that,
me.
technical.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh,
Right. On the floor.
trap's okay. There's lots of geese there. Can you see them there? Look, Mo. Mo likes geese, don't you, Mo? Lots of geese there. Look. Lots of geese shit here as well. Whew, there's a bit of a cutting in the air now. GoPro, stop recording. Yes. Oh, we've still got full battery power. I don't know. I can only assume gauges work. God no. I'm sure they should have used one bar of power by now.
Stay, let them pick the battery.
Go on. Road for you to test the rough terrain Baja Bandit. It's so far perfect. Perfection. The drone, but I fear it's a bit too windy for the drone. Look at the trees. So the drone hasn't come out. Unfortunately, I like to put the bird up. I like to fly the bird. But the drone has not come out because it's too windy. It's too windy. So we're not flying the drone. There's no drone being flying today because it's too windy, I'm afraid. We'll see what happens up there. Morning. Blimey. Uphill. Bumps and cobbles and all sorts on here. Great fun. How smooth it is on the road. It's absolutely splendid on proper tarmac like this. Splendid. Not it don't give you full power. Full power on reserve. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Please donate £3, and why not? Do you want to sit outside for a coffee or out?
Can you go in and get it?
Uh.
On your phone?
I assume so, yeah. I'll go now. What do you want?
Bottle of water.
Coffee and a cake?
Yeah.
What, 2 bottles of water?
Yeah.
2 coffees, 2 bottles of water, a coffee and a cake. Sit down up here then.
Drop them off for the weekend, or Dad gets the train down.
Just like